Dogs are known for their joint pain. It's a common problem that can be caused by a number of things, including arthritis, dysplasia, and joint injuries. If your dog is suffering from joint pain, there are a number of hip and joint supplements for dogs that can help. These supplements typically contain ingredients like MSM, chondroitin sulfate, and glucosamine HCl, which can help to reduce inflammation and ease joint pain. Joint supplements are available in a variety of forms, including capsules, tablets, powdered formulas, and tasty soft chews. And while they're not a cure-all for joint problems, they can be an effective way to help your dog find relief from pain. For most dog owners, you want to supplement them with a joint health supplement. This is to help stave off any issues that could potentially arise. But what many people don't realize is that there are benefits to giving your dog joint chews, even if they're young and healthy. They can help to reduce inflammation and pain associated with conditions like arthritis. Joint chews can also help to increase your dog's mobility and flexibility. In addition, joint chews can help to improve your dog's digestion and absorption of nutrients. Benefits of joint supplements: can improve your dog's overall joint health, can help to reduce inflammation and pain associated with conditions like arthritis, will help to increase your dog's mobility and flexibility. The active ingredients in joint supplements provide a protective barrier around the cartilage. Joint chews are a great way to keep your dog healthy and active for as long as possible. Hip and joint supplements for dogs can help to protect their joints from further damage, greatly reduces the progression of joint problems, helps to reduce free radicals and oxidative stress. Finally, a hip and joint supplement for dogs can help to improve your dog's quality of life. Absorption in dogs. Let's talk about absorption and why absorption is so important. If your dog is not absorbing supplements properly, you are throwing your money down the toilet. Poor absorption equals poor results. When it comes to supplements, you want to make sure that your dog is getting the most out of them. It will be helpful to understand how your dog's digestive system plays a role in nutrient absorption. There are three main factors that will affect how well your dog absorbs nutrients: the environment of the gut, the surface area of the intestine, the transit time of food through the intestine. pH is important because it affects how well enzymes work. If the pH is too low, enzymes won't work as well. And if the pH is too high, enzymes will be destroyed. Bacteria play a role in nutrient absorption as well. There are good bacteria and bad bacteria. The good bacteria help to break down food so that the nutrients can be absorbed, and the bad bacteria compete for those same nutrients. The surface area of the intestine is important because it's where the absorption of nutrients takes place. The larger the surface area, the more nutrients that can be absorbed. The transit time is the amount of time it takes for food to move through the digestive system. If transit time is too quick, food won't have enough time to be broken down. And if transit time is too slow, food will start to rot. Ingredients to look for in supplements. Glucosamine. Glucosamine is an amino sugar that is produced naturally by the body. It is a building block for cartilage and helps to keep joints healthy by reducing inflammation, pain, and stiffness. MSM. Methylsulfonylmethane. MSM is a sulfur-containing compound that is naturally found in the body. It helps to reduce inflammation, pain, and stiffness. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Chondroitin. Chondroitin is another naturally occurring substance that helps to keep cartilage healthy. It works by absorbing fluid into the cartilage, which helps to keep it lubricated and elastic. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to reduce inflammation. Green-lipped mussel. Green-lipped mussel is a type of shellfish that is rich in omega fatty acids, minerals, and vitamins. It has been shown to reduce inflammation, pain, and stiffness. Yucca. Yucca is a plant that contains saponins, which are compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a substance that is found naturally in the body. It helps to lubricate and cushion joints. Fish oil as omega-3 fatty acids. Omega fatty acids are anti-inflammatory and help to reduce pain and stiffness in joints. They also help to keep cartilage healthy by reducing the breakdown of cartilage cells. Green-lipped mussel. Everyone knows about or has heard of the major joint supplements, but many people are not familiar with green-lipped mussels. Green-lipped mussels are an amazing supplement for connective tissues. It is a type of shellfish that is rich in omega fatty acids, minerals, and vitamins. It has been shown to reduce inflammation, pain, and stiffness. Best age for joint supplements. There is no definitive answer as to when the best time to start giving your dog a hip and joint supplement is. Some people believe that it is best to start giving them as young as possible. Others believe that it is best to wait until your dog is older and more likely to develop joint problems. As any pet owner knows, our furry friends sometimes need a little extra support as they age. That's why glucosamine-rich hip and joint chews are such a popular choice for older dogs. Senior dogs often suffer from hip and joint problems. Perhaps you have a senior dog who is already advanced in age and has arthritis or other joint issues. A supplement can help to maintain the health of senior dogs' hips and joints. Supplement for younger dogs. So, what about younger dogs? Aren't they too young to be dealing with joint issues? The short answer is no. Dogs need to take care of their joints if they want to stay active as they age. A soft chew dog joint supplement is a great way to ensure that your furry friend stays healthy and happy into old age. The supplement helps to lubricate the hip joint and protect it from wear and tear. It also provides essential nutrients that keep the cartilage healthy and flexible. As a result, a dog joint supplement can help prevent the onset of arthritis and other age-related joint problems. So, if you want your dog to stay spry and active well into his golden years, be sure to give him a dog joint supplement on a regular basis. Most people report seeing results within as little as 2 weeks of giving their dog joint supplements. However, it may take longer for some dogs to experience the full benefits. Glucosamine for dogs. Some people often ask this question: can we give human glucosamine to our dogs? Yes, you can give your dog human glucosamine supplements. However, it's important to talk to your veterinarian before starting any new supplement, as they can advise you on the best dosage for your dog based on their weight and health condition. Additionally, there are pet-specific glucosamine supplements on the market that may be a better option for your furry friend. Pet-specific versus human joint supplements. The biggest difference between pet-specific and human joint supplements is the dosage. Pet-specific supplements are typically lower in dosage than human supplements, as dogs require a smaller amount of the active ingredient to see results. Additionally, pet-specific supplements often contain other ingredients that are beneficial for dog joint health. With so many different brands and types of joint chews on the market, it's important to research before choosing one for your dog. Side effects to supplements. MSM and glucosamine-based joint supplements are generally safe and well tolerated by dogs. However, a small percentage of dogs may experience side effects such as gastrointestinal upset or diarrhea. If your dog experiences any side effects, stop giving them the supplement and consult your veterinarian. Most common areas for joint issues. The most common areas for joint problems in dogs are the hips, knees, and shoulders. However, any joint in the body can be affected by arthritis or other joint issues. Dogs can suffer from hip joint problems as they age. In fact, one of the most common health problems for senior dogs is hip dysplasia, a condition that results in the hip joint not forming properly. This can lead to pain, stiffness, and decreased mobility. While there is no cure for hip dysplasia, there are supplements that can help to support hip joint health and reduce pain. Glucosamine and chondroitin are two popular ingredients that are often found in hip joint supplements. These substances help to lubricate the joint and repair damaged connective tissue. Omega-3 fatty acids are another common ingredient, as they help to decrease inflammation and support healthy connective tissue. When used together, these ingredients can help to improve hip joint function and reduce pain. As your dog ages, it's important to keep an eye out for signs of hip and joint problems. If you notice that your dog is having trouble getting up, is limping, or is less active than usual, make an appointment with your veterinarian. They will be able to diagnose the problem and recommend a course of treatment. Hip and joint supplements are a great way to keep your dog healthy as he ages. They help to reduce inflammation, pain, and stiffness in joints. They also provide essential nutrients that keep the cartilage healthy and flexible. If you're looking for a way to give your dog a little extra support, glucosamine-rich hip and joint chews may be a good option. Breeds susceptible to joint issues. Some dog breeds are more susceptible to joint problems than others. Large breed dogs, such as Labrador Retrievers and Golden Retrievers, are more likely to develop hip dysplasia. Small breed dogs, such as Yorkies and Chihuahuas, are more prone to developing luxating patellas. Giant breeds, such as Great Danes and St. Bernards, are susceptible to both hip dysplasia and elbow dysplasia. If you have a dog of a breed that is known to be predisposed to joint problems, it's important to be extra vigilant about their health. Make sure to take them for regular checkups with the veterinarian and give them a high-quality joint supplement for dogs on a daily basis. Joint supplements can help to prevent the onset of arthritis and other age-related joint problems. So, if you want your dog to stay spry and active well into his golden years, be sure to give him a dog joint supplement early in life throughout their senior years. Preventing joint issues. There are a few things you can do to prevent joint issues in your dog. First, make sure they get plenty of exercise. Exercise helps to keep the joints healthy and strong. It also helps to maintain a healthy weight, as carrying around extra weight can put strain on the joints. Second, give them a high-quality diet that includes plenty of omega fatty acids. These help to reduce inflammation and support healthy connective tissue. Finally, consider giving them a joint supplement on a daily basis. This will provide them with the nutrients they need to keep their joints healthy and strong. Joint supplements are especially important for dogs who are predisposed to joint problems due to their breed or family history. If you follow these simple tips, you can help to keep your dog's joints healthy and strong. This will allow them to stay active and pain-free well into their golden years. Osteoarthritis in dogs. As we age, our joints naturally begin to deteriorate. This process is known as osteoarthritis, and it can cause a great deal of pain and discomfort. Though there is no cure for osteoarthritis, there are ways to manage the symptoms and slow the progression of the disease. One way to do this is by giving your dog joint chews. Joint chews are a type of supplement that contains ingredients like glucosamine, chondroitin, and omega fatty acids. These ingredients have been shown to help reduce inflammation, improve joint function, and slow the progression of osteoarthritis. There are many different brands and types of joint chews on the market, so it's important to do your research before choosing one for your dog. You'll want to look for a product that is made with high-quality ingredients and that comes from a reputable company. Additionally, it's important to choose a product that is appropriate for your dog's weight and health condition. The better joint supplements on the market will help reduce inflammation, improve joint function, and slow the progression of osteoarthritis. Talk to your veterinarian to find the best product for your furry friend. Diet and joint health. It's no secret that diet can have a major impact on joint health, and that holds true for dogs as well. Just like humans, dogs need to consume quality, healthy foods in order to maintain strong bones and joints. While high-quality, organic dog food is always the best option, it's not always feasible for pet owners to purchase these types of products on a regular basis. However, there are some simple steps that you can take to ensure that your dog is getting the nutrition they need for optimal joint health. First, take a trip to your local pet store and search for foods that are free of fillers and artificial ingredients. It's also important to look for foods that contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, as these are essential for proper joint function. Dogs love these types of food, so you shouldn't have any trouble getting them to eat their meals. Lastly, don't forget to give your dog plenty of exercise. This is one of the most effective ways to keep their joints healthy and prevent future problems. Exercising for joint health. Though often thought of as lazy creatures, dogs actually need to stay active to maintain their joint health. Unfortunately, many dog owners don't know what the best exercises for dog joint health are. As a result, their furry companions often suffer from hip and joint pain later in life. There are a few exercises that are particularly helpful for dog joint health. One is called the hip sweep. To do this exercise, simply have your dog lie down on his side and then move his back leg in a sweeping motion. This exercise helps to increase mobility and flexibility in the hips. Another good exercise is the joint support walk. This is a great way to naturally support your dog's joints while also getting him some much-needed exercise. To do this exercise, simply place your dog's front paws on an elevated surface. A low table or stool will work perfectly. Then, help him walk forward until his back paws are also on the elevated surface. This may take a little bit of patience at first, but most dogs catch on quickly. Once your dog is comfortable walking on the elevated surface, you can slowly increase the height of the surface to give his joints a greater range of motion. These are just a few of the best exercises for dog joint health. By incorporating these exercises into your dog's routine, you can help him stay active and healthy well into his golden years. Conclusion: if you're like most dog owners, you want to do whatever you can to keep your furry friend healthy and happy. That's why you should consider starting your dog on hip and joint chews to support their overall health and well-being. For more Great Dane information and goodies, check out Love Margot website and our social media. If you want to know more information about Great Danes, then check out this playlist of comprehensive Great Dane guides we have put together.